Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. If you've ever dreamed of owning the ultimate high-performance blender, the Vitamix 5200 might just be your dream come true. Let's dive into why this professional-grade blender is still one of the most trusted kitchen tools in 2025. At first glance, the Vitamix 5200 impresses with its classic design and robust build. This machine isn't just for smoothies, it's a true workhorse. Inside, you'll find a powerful 2.0 horsepower motor that effortlessly crushes ice, pulverizes tough veggies, and turns raw ingredients into creamy perfection. Whether you're blending soups, nut butters, or frozen treats, the 5200 delivers smooth results every single time. What sets it apart? Its variable speed control. Unlike blenders with preset buttons, this gives you total control over texture and consistency. From silky purees to chunky salsas, you can fine-tune the speed dial even while it's running. The 64-ounce container is perfect for family-sized batches, yet it fits under most kitchen cabinets. The tapered design creates a powerful vortex that pulls ingredients toward the blades, no unblended chunks left behind. Speaking of blades, these aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients and stay sharp over time. Now here's the real kicker: this blender doesn't just blend. It can make hot soup without a stove. The friction from the blades can heat your soup to steaming in just 6 minutes. That's a perfect winter hack right there. Cleaning it couldn't be easier. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, blend for 30 seconds, and it's ready for your next recipe. This blender may not have touch screens or Bluetooth, but what it does have is trust. Professional chefs, home cooks, and smoothie fanatics around the world still choose the Vitamix 5200 because of its raw, reliable performance. If you're looking to elevate your kitchen game with a true powerhouse, this is the one to get. Check the link in the description to grab yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews on the gear that makes everyday life smarter. See you in the next video.